Good morning, welcome back all my glow babies. This is your girl Dan Dow, and I have a recipe video for you guys today. Today we're going to be making sweet potato pie, steel cut oats. It's going to be done in the slow cooker. What I love about this recipe, it's like a very much so set it and forget it. We're going to be slow cooking this for 8 hours in the slow cooker. And this is what you're gonna need. 1 cup of steel cut oats, gluten-free preferably. 1 medium sweet potato cut small. A non-dairy milk of your choice. Using today almond milk, coconut. We're gonna use 4 cups of this. We're also gonna use a mixture of pumpkin pie spice, pink Himalayan salt, ground cinnamon, maple syrup, and pure vanilla extract. Okay, so step 1, guys, is you're gonna go ahead and turn on your slow cooker. We're gonna go put that on low, and gonna go ahead and start to pour the liquid. So that's 2 cups. We need another 2 cups inside. And what I like about this, guys, is that when I do this, I can use this for up to like 2 weeks, because I only kind of eat this. I only do like more higher carbohydrates on the days that I work out with my personal trainer, because I need the energy to push through the heavy workouts he has. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, also a little bit, about 2 teaspoons. And we're gonna also add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Now this is pure maple syrup, guys. What I am trying to do, I'm trying to focus on more now, guys, is I am trying to focus on cutting all the processed things. So things that has a bunch of ingredients, things that necessarily has gluten, I'm really trying to limit myself from it. So maple syrup, pure maple syrup, just has the syrup from the tree, no bunch of additives. We're gonna go ahead and add now our 1 medium sweet potato. And now we're going to add the 1 cup of the gluten-free steel cut oats. See, guys, that's looking good. Trust me, the aroma that you guys are gonna smell when this thing is like done. That's 1. That's a half. My bad, half. We're gonna do 1. You want to give it a lot of liquid so that it doesn't burn. And we're gonna also do some pink Himalayan salt. Guys, pink Himalayan salt is very good. Just a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit, just so we can get some vitamins, and it also helps bring out the flavor in the steel cut oats. Why I love steel cut oats, guys, is because it is a lot more nutritious than the typical oats. You know, you can save it in the fridge, like I do, for 2 weeks. You know, I have a little bit of this, so let me just dump the rest out of there. For 2 weeks, and it doesn't taste old. Like, I know you guys rolled oats or any other kind of oats that are not steel cut oats, for me, you let them sit for 5 minutes and they're nasty. Not this. It stays really, the consistency stays really consistent. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys, this is how it's gonna look, okay? I also wanted to show you that the slow cooker is on low. You know, sorry, that is like the cinnamon and stuff on there. It's weird. It's on low now. So right now, we're gonna set our timer for 8 hours. Let's put it on top. 8 hours. Don't touch it, just let it slow cook, and I will come back and show you guys the finished product of how it's going to look after the 8 hours. Alright ladies, so we're at the 8-hour mark, and this is how the sweet potato pie still for oats looks. It's meal prep for me, so I'm gonna put it in something, and I'll eat it in the morning. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.